chance yebhakajuju. Mina abanye abo-goalkeeper angima-understand bafethu. I don't understand, right? He catches the ball, right? If you wanted to play the ball early, you could have played this guy early. Uyi-1, he's got enough time to trap or to scan. He's got enough time, plenty of time, but he doesn't play him. He doesn't play him. Then he decides to play him now. You okay? Uphatha omunye umntwana late. Ufuna ukuthi ayenzeni? Look how many players here. Ufuna ukuthi ayenzeni? What do you want him to do? Suka bokosi. Great save. Ugosi, he's always been a keeper that makes great save. The problem ila ekhanda bafethu. Ufana no Peterson we-Chiefs, but Peterson has improved. He's much calmer now. Ugosi ikhanda ngalakhe sometimes